now we're getting into a 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗀𝗃. I already have the wig on my head because I'm ready to install it. I'm about to get on the road right after this and head to Tampa, and I really wanted to wear this unit for the holidays. I feel like this is a gorgeous look. This is how you're going to be receiving your wig in this box, as well as in a silky little bag. They also give you some wig caps in there, so I might switch it out, but I do like this one that I'm rocking underneath because it gives more like a red tint, and this lace is a little bit on the warmer side, so I want it to be bright and not so dull. So this is their Aries 003 wig. This is soft silky Malaysian hair. It does have a 1 to 2 year lifespan. This is a cap size 1 that I'm rocking. Do have their adjustable straps, their elastic band that's adjustable as well in the wig with their combs, and these combs are placed really nice so I can tuck them underneath my wig cap. And this is a 13x6 130 density, so a very natural density for the look that I'm going for. It does give off an asymmetrical look, so what we're going to have to do is do a little bit of scissor work, but that is okay with me. I do want you guys to get the gist of this wig before I do my little happy cuttings. Since this is my first time trying out a Malaysian wig from Myfirstwigs, we're gonna put the Malaysian hair to the test by curling her up, because you guys know I keep me a good Brazilian wig. Has been something I've been trying out lately. I just had some Malaysian bundles, and you guys, I was not trying to take them out. I think that's pretty much it, but let's go ahead and get into the install.
Don't have to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
Okay, so I took some pictures just so you guys can see the difference, because it's going to be stages. I still wanted to show you guys what this looks like. I'm not going to curl it in this state, obviously, because it didn't come curled. So now if you want this exact wig, you enjoy this look, this is basically how you get it. Don't even have to style it, don't even have to put any heat into it. Just install it and boom, bada bang. You got it. Blunt cut vibes. I'm gonna start up here. And that's pretty much me cutting to like where the back will fall. Right here is just longer, and I feel like it's more rounded out over here. I just wanted to show you guys that you can just cut it up a little bit, really mold it to your liking. You don't have to do much. I like this so far. This is cute too. I'm gonna take a picture like this, and we're gonna do the next look.
Pay the bills with my love for you.
Super short, because you can still get away with not having to even everything out if you just do a light little bump, but it still moves and it looks really good. The tuck. That hairline is really coming through. Oof, Myfirstwigs. We get the natural hairline, y'all. Gorgeous.
To be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather. together, and I promise forever. All mine, yeah. All mine, all mine, all mine, all mine, all mine.
I love that it moves, and it's really moving y'all. Like, so like I would be careful with how much you spray and how close you spray it. Eats. Everybody eats. I'm not gonna say that I'm 100% about wanting to do the whole head, but I do want to see how well this hair curls, so you know how straight hair is. It's gonna, yeah, it's gonna be cute. Like I wouldn't curl it tight, but as you can see, it does have like a nice hold to it. That's how it will look if I curl it all over. We've seen that look for me a couple of times.
Pay the bills with my love for you. We'd be the richest in the fucking room. We'd be so comfortable. Girl, it's only you for me. No lie, I've tried what they offered. They're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're
what do we think? More fitting for the occasion. That's what I'm thinking. More fitting for the, I wanted to still like appreciate the straight, but I think this is more my speed for the moment, you know? How we feeling? Shit, y'all, thanks for hanging out with me, doing my hair for Thanksgiving, trying to figure it out at least, because I really was thinking about doing a quick weave, but I just took my hair out of one, so I didn't really want to install a brand new one. But your girl ate it up, okay? Sorry, my camera died. I couldn't say my final goodbyes, but I will link all of Myfirstwig's information down in the description box below. I appreciate you guys always and forever, and I hope you guys have an amazing holiday, and see you guys in my next one. Bye, girlies.